Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can create an account on your Twitter or X app. For that, you just need to install it on your phone. Then open the X app. Here on the top left corner, you can see the profile icon. Just tap on it. Here, you need to choose create account option. Since you haven't created an account, just tap on create account. Then you can whether continue with Google or you can create a new account. Just tap on create new account for now. You will need to choose language. Here I'm choosing the English language, or you can just skip from your bottom option on the left. I'm tapping next option on the bottom. Then you will need to fill up here some credential. For that, just enter your name, email and date of birth. Once you are done with filling all your credentials, then you just need to tap on next option. Here on the bottom you can see the next option. Just tap on it. Then once you tap on the next, you will be guided to this page where you'll need to customize your experience. Just tap on next on the bottom. Once you agree to the terms and policies of the X app, you just need to tap on sign up. On the bottom you can see the sign up option. Just tap on it. So once you have tap on the sign up option, you will need to fill up the code. For the code, you just need to check your email inbox. Once you get the verification code, just enter in the verification code option and tap on next here on the bottom. Once you are done with all the steps here, you need to create a password which should be at least 8 characters or more than that. Once you are done with filling the password, then just you need to tap on the next. So guys, here you will see that your X account has already been created. So I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. For more tutorials, thank you.